Hope you all enjoyed your 4th of July holiday and got some time with friends and with family. Maybe you spent some time out grilling around the outside of your house and started to notice some things were not looking like you wanted them to. You can always give us a call at the Trusted Toolbox because I know that the exterior wood rot down here in Atlanta really takes off in the month of July. The reason? Because all that humidity that we got throughout the spring, all that rain that we got has been sitting in there, and now the sun is baking it out and starting to show where that caulk may not be holding up, or maybe that paint is going away. So let's make sure we take care of that and get going on this. One of the things I'm very proud of is that now we are CAPS certified. What is that? Well, we're certified aging in place specialists that can help you age in your home a little bit longer than you wanted to. We actually have access to some really great grab bars. So you want to grab on this right now because we can get you a grab bar that gives you a better touch, a better feel at the same price you would with those hospital grade ones. We also have trained our team extensively on how to look for and identify areas in your home that will help you age in place. We hope you have a great July. Stay cool, everybody, and make sure that we can help you with your home on the little things all the way around at the Trusted Toolbox.